Hello all, welcome to my channel Arya and Harika. In this video we will see a special and simple recipe sandwich. Let's begin. For this recipe I have taken a medium sized carrot, peel the skin and wash thoroughly. Then chop roughly into small pieces. This is a vegetable chopper to chop the vegetables into fine pieces. It's a Pigeon Company's. I bought this item through Amazon and it costed me 200 rupees. If you see, the mechanism will be similar to the mixie jar. I like this product because it will help us to finely and fastly chop the vegetables. It's very simple to use. Just add the chopped pieces and then close the lid tightly. Just pull and push the handle. Just repeat this process. The main thing is it's very simple to wash. See, finely chopped carrot pieces are ready. With this chopper, we can also chop the vegetables into different sizes. Now transfer this to a separate bowl. Next, we will chop onion. Take a small sized onion and then add it to the chopper. Follow the same process. Just pull and push the handle. Onions are ready. Transfer them to the mixing bowl. Next, I am taking a medium sized tomato. Let's cut into the small pieces and then add to the chopper. Follow the same process. Chop them finely. Now our tomato pieces are also ready. Transfer them to the mixing bowl. Our next vegetable is cabbage. Chop it finely and transfer to the mixing bowl. Light vegetables like cabbage, onion, tomatoes, capsicum can be easily chopped using this chopper. Our next vegetable is capsicum. Here I am taking one red and one green capsicum. I will show you how to easily cut a capsicum without wasting it. As shown in the video, horizontally cut the capsicum on the top. Now slowly cut all the joints. We can now easily take out the seeds. See how neatly the seeds came out. Take the head part. Using fingers, just push the stalk. It will easily come out. See? Now your capsicum is ready for chopping. Just roughly chop them and then add to the chopper for fine chopping. Our red capsicum pieces are ready. Add them to the mixing bowl. Next, the same process for green capsicum. Just cut on the top, remove the joints and remove the seeds and then chop them and transfer to our mixing bowl. Next, I am going to use lettuce. I am taking green lettuce here. You can use red lettuce as well. Remove the stalk, separate the leaves and then chop them into small pieces. This lettuce will be slightly bitter in taste, but it is very healthy. Chopped lettuce is ready. Add it to the mixing bowl. Now add a little bit of salt for taste. Then half spoon of chili flakes. You can also add pepper for spiciness. Our next ingredient is mayonnaise. I am taking flavored mayonnaise. 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise will be enough. I am using Fun Foods veg mayonnaise. You can use white mayonnaise also. Now all our ingredients are ready. We need to nicely mix them. Using a spoon, mix all the ingredients well and check for taste. Adjust salt and spiciness according to your taste. Our filling is ready now. Next ingredient is sandwich bread. You can use wheat bread also. Now heat the pan and apply little bit of butter, ghee or oil, anything you have. Here I am using Amul butter. Apply the butter evenly on the pan. Once it is heated, now take the breads and we need to bake them both sides. On my pan, I can bake 4 slices at a time. Bake the slices on a low flame around half a minute. Then flip to the other side. Don't bake too much. Just the slices should turn lightly brown. Once both sides are done, take them into a separate plate. Now take one bread slice and take 1 tablespoon of vegetable mixture which we made and then evenly spread on the bread. Now cover it with another slice of bread. We need to bake it again. For that, on the same pan, brush little more butter or oil and then place the sandwich on it. Now using a flat plate, press the bread slices. I am doing this for evenly spreading of the vegetable mixture. Now after baking for half a minute, just turn to the other side. This time we need to bake till it turns nice brown color so that it will turn more crispy. Now transfer it to another plate. That's all, our yummy veg sandwich is ready. Using a knife, cut into 2 pieces and then serve it hot. Definitely try this healthy recipe and enjoy with your family members. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell button to activate the notifications. Thanks for watching.